Welcome to Fun with ABCs. Hello, kids! Today we're going to meet 20 amazing zoo animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Lion. This is a lion. Can you say lion? Wow, lions are called the king of the jungle. They live in big families called prides. This is an elephant. Can you say elephant? Good job, kids. Elephants are the biggest animals on land. Look at that long trunk. Next animal is giraffe. This is a giraffe. Say giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffes have super long necks to reach yummy leaves high up in the trees. This is a zebra. Can you say zebra? Yay! Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. No two zebras have the same stripes. This is monkey. This is a monkey. Say monkey. Monkey. Monkeys love to swing on trees and eat bananas. This is a panda. Say panda. Panda. Pandas are super fluffy and love to munch on bamboo. This is a tiger. Say tiger. Tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. They are great swimmers too. Next animal is kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Say kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroos hop and jump and carry their babies in a pouch. This is a flamingo. Say flamingo. Flamingo. Flamingos stand on one leg and are bright pink. This is a hippo. Say hippo. Hippos love water and are super heavy but can swim well. This is a penguin. Say penguin. Penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they are excellent swimmers. Rhinoceros. This is a rhino. Say rhino. No. Rhinos have big horns on their noses and thick skin. This is a crocodile. Say crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodiles have strong jaws and sharp teeth. They love water. This is a bear. Say bear. Bears love honey and can sleep all winter. This is a parrot. Say parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can even copy sounds. This is a camel. Say camel. Camel. Camels have humps and can walk long distances without water. This is a cheetah. Say cheetah. Cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. This is a gorilla. Say gorilla. Gorilla. Gorillas are strong and smart. They live in forests and love plants. This is a snake. Say snake. Snake. Snakes slither on the ground and some of them can climb trees. This is a tortoise. Say tortoise. Tortoise. Tortoises walk slowly and carry their homes on their backs. Yay! You did a great job learning about zoo animals today. See you next time for more fun learning. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more fun videos.